Hi, today in front of me Realme 10 and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. So first let's open the Gmail application and here tap on the right upper corner. So just to log out from the Gmail application from Google account, we should log out from Google accounts on our device. Let's just click to manage accounts on this device, select our Google account. Now we should click on the right upper corner to these three dots and tap to remove account. Then confirm your action by click to remove account again. And in Google account settings we can see that we have no any logged in accounts. So now let's just I don't understand why we have no connection, so let's check our Wi-Fi connection. Now it's connected, so let's go back to the application and now we can see that we're just successfully logged out also from Gmail app. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.